Hey guys, what's up? It's time to do a speed test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite versus the Samsung Galaxy A71. And Samsung A71, it is powered by Snapdragon 730 chipset with the 8 GB of RAM, while the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, it is powered by Samsung Exynos 9810 chipset with the 8 GB of RAM as well. On the back, we got the quad cameras on the back on the Samsung Galaxy A71 compared to a triple cameras on the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, and also we have a flagship back cameras on the Note 10 Lite compared to a mid-range level cameras on the Samsung Galaxy A71. So very interesting to see who is perform faster, how much difference between a mid-range Samsung phone versus a upper level mid-range phone from Samsung. Now let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. And guys, also both phones is running on Android 10, and the logo, it is faster on the Samsung Galaxy A71 followed by the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite. We have a One UI 2.1 update on both these two devices, and let's see who is going to be the fastest one. And because Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite is faster when it comes to booting up, beat the Samsung Galaxy A71 when it comes to booting up, about 2 or 3 second difference here. And guys, you can see that both phones give you a very beautiful display. We have a Full HD Super AMOLED display on the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite compared to a Full HD Super AMOLED Plus display on the Samsung Galaxy A71, and also the punch hole, it is much smaller on the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite compared to the Samsung Galaxy A71. And guys, also the bezel, it is little bit smaller on the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite. And guys, everything is closed up in the background, and you can see no app is running in the background, and also same Wi-Fi network on both phones. I'm gonna start off by basic stuff. We have phone dialer, and that is about the same on both phones, no difference there. Now let's see some more application. We have settings, and that was again exactly the same on both phones, and this phone gave you a same chipset that we also see on the old Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus as well as Note 9. Now let's see the YouTube launching at the same time, and this time Samsung Galaxy A71, it is just a tiny bit faster there, and the scrolling wise both phones is give you a very smooth scrolling. Now let's see some more application. We have Amazon shopping on both phones, and you can see that A71, it is just a tiny bit faster there, followed by the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite. Let's see the scrolling, about the same on both phones, no issue whatsoever. Now let's see some games application for checking out the performance difference between these two devices. Let's see the Candy Crush Saga and Exynos 9810 versus the Snapdragon 730, and you can see Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, it is just a tiny bit faster there, followed by the A71. I would say about the same on both phones. Now let's check out Subway Surfer, and again Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, it is faster there, and you can see while the Samsung Galaxy A71, now it is also done, and you can see about 1 or 2 second difference there. So last game application we have is the Temple Run 2, and let's see who is faster there. And again Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, it is feels faster than the Samsung Galaxy A71, but at the end I would say about the same on both phones, and you can see about the same on both phones. Now let's check out some more application. We have Spotify, and little bit faster on the A71 followed by the Note 10 Lite. Now let's opening up the Twitter, faster on the Note 10 Lite this time. Now let's see Zedge, and that is faster on the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, and you can see followed by the A71. Now let's see Snapchat, faster on the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, again default camera app, faster on the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite followed by the A71. And guys, overall I have to say the camera performance, it is much better on the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite. Let's see the internet browsing speed. I am seeing default Samsung internet browser on both phones, wikipedia.org first website, and you can see that A71, it is just a tiny bit faster there, and you can see if I am not wrong. Now let's see the scrolling, and in the start I noticed some lags on both phones, but after some time both phones is perform about the same, no issue whatsoever. Next on the list is the apple.com on both phones, and launching at the same time. And you can see A71, it is just a tiny bit faster there, followed by the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite. Now let's see the scrolling, and you can see feels absolutely smooth on both phones, no issue whatsoever. Now let's see the RAM management on both phones, and both phones comes with a 8 GB of RAM. So very interesting to see who is performed better in the RAM management. Samsung Galaxy A71, it is performed really good in the RAM management. Let's see what happened in the speed test. Phone dialer, that is not refreshed on both phones. Let's see settings, YouTube, Amazon shopping. Let's see Candy Crush Saga, Subway Surfer, and you can see, let's see Temperament 2, Spotify. Now let's see the Twitter, Zedge. Let's see Snapchat, and you can see both phones is perform really good in the RAM management right now. No refresh on both phones. And last, we are back to the internet browser where we left, and you can see. And guys, overall I have to say regarding the app's opening speed, it is feels little bit faster on the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, and the RAM management, it is absolutely incredible on both phones. Not much difference between these two devices when it comes to the RAM management. Absolutely incredible RAM management performance. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy A71 versus the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will catch you in my next video. Peace out.